in the past centuries, in the history of Islam, no one has dared to reject the Sunnah of the Prophet ﷺ. Unless they are from the extreme Khawarij, or from the extreme Rafidah, or whomever followed their footsteps among the full-fledged hypocrites who nowadays beautify their sect and cult by calling it Al-Quraniyoon. And this is a blatant lie. They have nothing related to the Quran. They say, we are the Quranis. We don't believe in the Sunnah. We believe only in the Quran. It is without doubt, anyone who rejects the Sunnah has gone astray. Anyone who rejects the Sunnah is a blatant kafir. No questions asked. Why? Because when he claims that he believes in the Quran, he's actually kafir of the Quran that tells him to believe in the Sunnah. He is an enemy of Islam. He knows, anyone knows that if someone comes to this stage and says, the Quran is false, the Quran was made up, the Quran is not certain, it's ambiguous, it's doubtful, maybe it's authentic, maybe it's not, maybe it's from Allah, maybe it's not, he would immediately be shut down with a U. We're not terrorists. He would be immediately shut down. Some countries, it's with an O. He will be shut down for doing this for the Quran. But if someone wanted to dismantle Islam, to attack Islam covertly, he would attack the Sunnah. Wallah, ya akhi, Sunnah, I don't know. It wasn't written except after 300 years. Lies. After the Prophet died, 300 years they wrote the Sunnah. And there is dispute whether this is sahih, this is da'if. I don't like this nonsense. I just hold by the Quran. This is how they try their level best. Then they start to poke the scholars who gave us this Sunnah. The companions. Abu Hurairah? Yeah, akhi, I don't like this man. His name is, I don't know. And the companions fought against one another. Were they sincere and genuine? And maybe this, and maybe that. And people of ignorance, cultural Muslims, would usually say, I'm a free thinker. Yeah, I agree. Maybe you're right. A'udhu billah. Come to the stage, let us shut you down. What are you doing? Ya akhi, he is insulting Allah's religion, not you. If he insulted your mom, you would have shut him down. He's insulting Allah. He's insulting Islam. He's insulting Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. And you're open thinker? Wallah, you're an open old can. Anyhow, so they start to talk negatively about the companions, the tabi'een, and the scholars, Al-Bukhari. Al-Bukhari is this and that. Sahih Al-Bukhari is this and that. Sahih Muslim is this and that. Trying to dismantle the religion little by little. But with the grace of Allah, this is not my religion. Oh, Sheikh is committing kufr. Ya akhi, wait until I finish my sentence. This is not my religion or your religion. Oh, the Sheikh now is committing kufr and giving kufr to everybody else. Ya akhi, wait. This is not my religion or your religion. It is the religion of Allah. Akhi, say it from the beginning. Why do you have to cut it into pieces? Because people are asleep. You can see. They just had breakfast and they have a long day ahead of them. The good thing is I'm going to give my lecture and go back and sleep. You can't afford that. Anyhow, so you have to be vigilant, aware, awake, defending your honor, defending the Sunnah of the Prophet alayhi salatu wasalam.